Okay, so what we're going to do here, folks, today is we're going to core a pineapple.
Oh, and look at you have a pineapple in the picture next to you.
We've got a pineapple right there, too. So what we're going to do is we're going to core a pineapple.
Pineapple.
That's a Maui Gold pineapple. So,
and we're in Maui.
No, so first of all, this is organically grown. The Maui Gold have less acidity than the Dole. So
right.
less acid in this one than Dole.
Nice.
It's super sweet.
Nice.
So what we're going to do, first you cut the top off.
Yep.
And the nice thing about cutting the top off, you can grow the top.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. Hey, Joe.
Right.
You know what the guy said to me when he sold us that core?
Right.
He said you twist
Yeah, but I want to grow it.
I know, you want to grow it. But say if you didn't want to grow it, you twist it. Twist the leaves.
Okay, so now
okay.
That I saved because I plant them here in Hawaii. And then you take this core here, lopsided pineapple.
Our $10 pineapple core.
See this?
From the market. It's pretty cool.
Check this out.
Great. Yeah.
I hope that fits inside there.
Oh.
So we go right in the middle.
Cool. Oh, it's like a corkscrew. Is that hard to push that?
No.
So you're just turning it. It's kind of going on its own.
You go to the bottom until it stops.
Yeah, straight down the middle.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
So we're right at the bottom, just about. Okay. And then you pull it out.
Oh, look at that. Isn't that great? That's amazing.
So it looks like that, okay? So then you got that.
Wow.
And Wendy can have her pina colada in there, or...
Let's see.
That's good, that juice.
Looks so pretty, doesn't it?
Yeah, so then then you go like this, get a bowl. Where's a bowl? You got a bowl in here? Okay, so we're going to get a bowl. I'll show you something here. Take this. You take this. Take this out.
Right. Oh, upside down. Beautiful. Isn't that amazing?
And it's like this.
That's what you get, like canned
pineapple. So it's all like a canned pineapple. Isn't that cool?
How sweet.
And if it gets stuck in there, you can just push it out.
Push it out. Yeah.
And you just wash it out, you do it again. So that's how to...
Then you can have like a fancy drink in that.
Look at the juice in there. So that's how to core pineapple.
Fill it with...
So that was the best $10 we've ever spent here, isn't it?
Wouldn't that be cool with gelato in there?
Yeah, so there you go.
It?
That's a $10 pineapple core.
Awesome.
Just like that.
Hello.